What are you reading these days? What are you studying? What are you into?
I gotta tell you, I absolutely love reading. I'm a huge reader. And when I pick up something, I just can't put it down, you know? Like quantum physics, that's my favorite.
Quantum physics?
Yeah.
What are you talking about, quantum physics? Like what?
I was just reading this incredible paper on the stochastic phase shifting of a parametrical-driven electron in a penning trap. And apparently, a bistability arises dynamically in this specific parametrically driven systems because the phase psi of the electron's steady-state oscillation can either have the two values separated by pi.
Yeah, that's crazy. You know, that was amazing. You know, you shot. That was great. That was incredible. Because, you know, it's funny. What shocks me about an electron in a penning trap is that most amplitude collapses are accompanied by a phase flip. Given that the rate of escape from an attractor depends exponentially upon an activation energy E as the diffusion constant D approaches T sub n, and rho approaches epsilon to the negative E over D.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I know, which is, I knew, you know.
No question there.
Yeah.
No question
we
there.
talked about this.
Of course.
Yeah.
It's a no-brainer.
Conan, I don't know about that, Conan. Have you considered that the parametric driving force excites a nearly resonant electron oscillation at the drive frequency? Omega sub d over 3 equals omega sub z plus epsilon. It's a classic example of the period doubling that occurs when a linear oscillator is strongly driven.
Max, did you just say that the omega sub d over 3 equals omega sub z plus epsilon?
Yeah.
Whoa. It's actually omega sub d over 2 equals omega sub z plus epsilon. Wow. Wow, Max. Max, you know nothing about quantum physics.
You're right.
Man.